Hi, it's Angeline here. I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to show you a fun way on how you can use your Thermoweb decofoil flock transfer sheets. So first, I've already stamped this Roger Guy by Angie Blom and colored it with some Copics. And I'm grabbing the Sizzix Tim Holtz Alterations embossing folder here called Crack and some flock transfer sheet from decofoil. I've already cut it into size to fit it into my embossing folder, and I'm putting it pretty side down and running it through my Big Shot machine. So this is one of the fun ways that you can use your flock transfer sheet with an embossing folder to create some cool effect on your sheet like this. So if you like this effect, you can stop here right now, but if you want to make the effect and texture more prominent, I'm grabbing a chalk ink here in Versamagic aloe vera, and I'm doing a short, quick dabbing motion on the embossed surface area. You do not want to do a sweeping motion because you would remove the flock that way. So just dab, 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 and as you can see, the texture is more prominent now against the black, and you can grab any inks that you have to do this effect. Next, I'm grabbing this set called Other Side of Fear, and I'm grabbing this cute little sheep here to stamp it on the t-shirt here. So I'm grabbing some purple tape here to just mask the sides of his t-shirt so that I won't get it on his arms. And you can use washi tape for this as well, but this purple tape is so cool, you can also reuse them. So here I'm grabbing some ink to ink up my stamp, and once you're done, just stamp it right in wherever that you want it to appear on his t-shirt. And as you can see, the purple tape will do a great job in helping you mask your stamping. So I've already fussy cut the Roger Guy, and now I'm just adding some grey ink to the side of the sentiment and also the images to add some distressed look. Once you're happy with that, just adhere the sentiment and also the Roger Guy, and you're done. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this technique on how to use your flock transfer sheets. Thanks for watching. Bye!